You gotta go down some straight.
Oh my gosh, he's gonna die! Oh, if he fell flat on his face, he would have so died. Do it again, do it again!
That one time that you guys put me in that bin and you
Yes,
threw me at the wall?
that was a impact. Leanna was the only one that didn't dress up. We got free Chipotle for dressing up in tin foil. Yeah! Heck yes!
Videoing?
Yeah.
Is there sound?
Yes. Woohoo! Ew!
I'm gonna remember this day forever, Eddie.
Forever and ever.
Oh, Leanna's driving?
Oh, great. Dun 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 dun. Free Chipotle! Yeah!
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 Yeah!